Hello everybody, today I'm going to... I don't know yet, but we'll see as this vlog continues. I would like to say, though, a quick thank you to everybody that commented on my last vlog, the one with the Sylvania end of runway lights. I really do appreciate all of your comments. I would have said thanks to every single one of you in the comments, but it just would be repetitive. So I would like to say it now, a big thank you to everyone that comments, and even, if you comment on any of my videos, I read everything. Just, I don't reply sometimes, because I don't know what to say, I don't know what to add to the conversation, but I do read every single comment, and I do appreciate them very much. So, let's see where we end up. So, here is the lighting at a Blaine's Farm and Fleet. Now, you may remember in one of my other vlogs, I think it was vlog number 11, I showed the lighting within the store and things like that, but I didn't show what they actually have for sale. So this aisle is mostly outdoor lighting, construction lighting, things like that. So a lot of that kind of stuff right here. Obviously a lot of LED, but we do have replacements for mercury vapor and high pressure sodium, which is nice to see. And they do still have those fixtures there at the bottom, minus mercury vapor, of course. But very interesting. They have all kinds of things like that that a home improvement store would have. You know, it's a farming improvement, home improvement, whatever type store. So yeah, a lot of neat things. Now around the corner here they have some corn cob LEDs, and that seems to be a really popular thing nowadays. I'm not the biggest fan of those, and here they are. I think they're way too glary, and I'm sure they'll come up with a better idea in the future, but I guess it serves a purpose for now, and they seem to be replacing virtually everything. But that's the way it goes. Now the next aisle we head to is the light bulb aisle itself. Now this aisle is two different companies are here. We have some Fiat Electric, I know that's not how it's said, but that's just how I say it, bulbs on the end here. This is clearance, but their main lighting that they have is GE. Now, way back in the late 90s, early 2000s, when I was very young, Farm and Fleet used to have Abco and Westinghouse bulbs, which at the time were under the Angelo Brothers company, Abco. So that's what they originally had, were those Abco Westinghouse bulbs, a mix of them. And then after that, they went to Philips. And they had Philips for quite a long time. Now, I want to say it was just a couple or more years ago when they switched over to GE. They got rid of all their Philips stuff and have GE, as you see here. I can't pronounce anything. And here's more Fiat Electric LEDs on the end here. So they have a mix of GE and these. Now I take note of this because this is that same bulb that I picked up at the Restore in one of my other vlogs. Same exact thing. So very cool. And here at the end is yet another corncob LED. Now the next place we head to, I think you'll find quite fascinating. So let's take a look. So, welcome to the Menards Surplus Store. This is located at their headquarters, and this is where they sell engineering samples and things that they get in for samples. And if it doesn't come to market, it comes here to just be sold so they can get rid of it. And so yeah, lots of cool things. Let's take a look. So to recap what I just said, all of these products that you see in this camera are products that never got to market. These are all products that they got that were samples from companies, and they wanted to see if it was up to their standards, as my guess, to be sold within the regular Menards store. Now, for whatever reason, these products are not, up to the standards to be sold within the store. Now, you do see those old stage lights there, for example, and that's those type of things that they have that were surplus, for example, or maybe it came out of one of their old buildings or something like that. But the majority of the things that you find here are things that they got in for review and for whatever reason didn't go to market. Maybe something was wrong with it. I have no idea. But it's interesting to see what you can find here. Lots of light fixtures, a lot of lighting in general, and a lot of other, categories of products are found within this surplus store. So these that you've been seeing here are just some of the fixtures that they have. The coolest thing that I thought that we just saw a little bit ago here was the black light shop lights. I've never seen such a thing before, but that was really cool. So now we will go ahead and move on down, if I will move. These are the light bulbs, and these, again, are things that never ended up being sold in store, for whatever reason. So they're all samples, and you can find some pretty unique things here that, well, never came to be, other than a sample that they got. Now, some other stores that I know of do sell these products, but they're not sold within Menards. It is neat, as I've said through this whole thing, just to see these things. They're bizarre and kind of cool, like that giant globe bulb there that's frosted. And here's some Westinghouse bulbs, which they do sell these in store, so I don't know why these are here, because those are sold regularly within their store. Now that 600 watt metal halide bulb, that thing has been there forever. I'm guessing they bought it thinking people will want a 600 watt metal halide bulb. Well, they were sorely mistaken. Because I think it's for growing or something like that. Now on the other side, here's where the really interesting ones are. These are all filament LED bulbs, at least most of them are. And they're in generic white boxes. And this is where you get just a regular bulb from some Chinese manufacturer, and they just put a sticker on it, and you have to figure out what it is. So it gets kind of creative on looking through these boxes and trying to figure out what's inside. You can find some pretty unique things. Now, I didn't find anything on this trip, but it's just fun looking through all of the different products. So I find that quite interesting. Now, the reason I'm talking all over this is because after I did that first clip, they started playing music. So I have to talk over it because I'm not going to get music problems on here. So I hope you enjoyed looking around this. It's pretty cool. Well, as always, I hope you enjoyed the places we went to. Going to that one restore again, a lot of the stuff was the same, but it seemed like they cleared out a lot of those older light bulbs. There wasn't a lot of older bulbs there like there was the first time I went through. That McGraw-Edison post-top light that used to be mercury vapor was still there. I debated on getting it, but I don't need another thing right now. And then after that, we went to the surplus store at Menards there. That was pretty cool. I'll have to voice over that. Probably already did. You just listened to that. So I really do hope you enjoyed the video. And it's kind of short, so I'm going to share one other thing. And it's over here. It's this light fixture. Now, I've had this thing for many years, and I've always wanted to do a video of it, but I thought I'd just show a little bit here at the end of this vlog. And it's rapid start. It does not preheat. And let me see if I can find... There's the label on it. I think I did do a video on this thing once, now that I think of it. Or if I did a video, it isn't uploaded yet. But I mounted it here on this wall because this little area of the basement doesn't have a light in it. The closest light is this one right here. So putting it over here works really well to light up this corner. And inside I have a nice Norelco bulb. I have, I think, 10 of these. We'll turn it off and on. Obviously sometimes it struggles to start, and that's just because the fixture is not grounded. It's just a standard wire, lamp wire. It should be grounded to help it start better, but if you just touch the bulb, it'll turn right on. Very cool. So, I really do hope you enjoyed today's video, and also please comment, rate, share, and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.